What?
Saucemoto.
What is that? Explain to me what you're holding.
Dish. Here's the instructions.
Well,
you can read upside down.
Yeah, okay, hit pause if you want to read the instructions. Mark's good at explaining how to use things. What is that?
You put your ketchup in there.
Okay.
And then you put it right there.
Alright, do that. Demonstrate.
And then you dip it up.
Can you...
Here, have a sample.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, there's no ketchup in there. Okay, it's time to roll.
Time to roll!
Let's roll, America.
Let's roll. Let's roll, says the comic book guy.
That's right.
Nice hairdo, hippie.
Thank you. I should say the same about yourself. Are you going to donate yours to Locks of Love?
I'm going to donate them to Locks of Hate. It's all for haters.
Here's some hate hair. Thought about you when I cut it. All right, here we go.